Google Drive is a powerful tool for storing files, but without proper organization, it's easy to get lost in a sea of documents, spreadsheets, and folders. In 2025, mastering organization in Google Drive can save you time, reduce stress, and improve productivity. One of the first tips is to create a clear folder structure. Group related files together by project, client, or category, and use consistent naming conventions for documents. Descriptive names make it easier to find files quickly, especially when collaborating with a team. Color coding folders is another simple but effective strategy. Google Drive allows you to assign colors to folders, which makes it visually easier to identify important projects or frequently used files. Starring key files or folders is also helpful. This creates quick access shortcuts, so you don't have to search for the same documents repeatedly. Using Google Drive's search function efficiently is essential. You can search by file name, file type, owner, or even keywords within documents. For teams, creating shared folders with clear permissions helps maintain organization. Assign view, comment, or edit access appropriately to avoid clutter and confusion. Version control is another important organizational tip. Google Drive automatically saves previous versions of your files, allowing you to restore older copies if needed. This is especially useful when multiple people are editing the same document. Additionally, regularly reviewing and archiving outdated files prevents your drive from becoming overcrowded. Finally, take advantage of integrations with other Google Workspace apps. Organize documents, spreadsheets, and presentations in folders that correspond to projects or departments. Use Google Forms to collect data and store responses in a designated folder, keeping everything centralized and easy to manage. By following these organization tips, Google Drive can become a clean, efficient workspace that helps you find files quickly, collaborate smoothly, and stay productive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Google Drive tips, productivity hacks, and ways to keep your digital workspace organized in 2025.